Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best black beans mushroom patties, alright, or meat. This can be used in any recipes. These are the list of the ingredients and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. Alright, so let's jump right into this video. To a preheated pan, I'll be adding about 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Now you can use any oil of your choice. And I'm adding half of a medium-sized onion. Allow this to cook for about 2 minutes on low heat. Make sure to stir occasionally. Then go in with some garlic, that is diced garlic, a little bit of green onions and celery. Dice, give that a good stir. I did have habanero peppers here. You can choose to omit that. A little bit of corn. Now I go in with my mushrooms. Give that a good stir also. Then I had added some parsley, some cilantro, some complete seasoning, and a little bit of pepper flakes. Give that a good stir. Allow this to cook for about 5 minutes, then go in with the cooked black bean. You can toss that around. After about 5 minutes, I did go in with some corn and green beans. Now this is optional, you really don't have to, but I choose to put that in there. Alright, so I'm going to pulse this in my food processor until it looks like that. Yes guys, it was stuck, but just for a minute. So this process here I actually forgot to video. There is some plain rice, some green onions, and this actually works well as a binder, and it gets the color from this right here. Let me show you. It is called the black bean garlic sauce. You can just put about half a teaspoon. If you don't have that, that is just fine. You can just do the rice. Okay, so I pulse that and I am going to mix this together with the black beans. It really holds this meat well. I mean, the beans actually holds well by itself. That is just extra. There I'm adding the Hawaiian sauce. If you do not have that sauce, you can just add like a soy sauce. You can use the sweet and the regular, or whichever one you have at hand. Make sure to taste, adjust the seasoning to your likeness and taste. If this is good for you, you can go ahead and form your patties. Alright, now to know that the mixture is perfect when it is not sticking to your hands, as you can see here, it is not, so we know we are good to go. We don't need to add anything else. Alright, awesome. So we're going to form our patties just like that. They look amazing, guys, and taste beautifully. So I'm trying to knead the edges up. Yeah, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, I know. Anyway, we're going to bake this for 30 minutes in 350 degrees oven. 15 minutes into the baking process, you're going to want to flip, put that back, and then it's done. Okay, or you can check that. And this is what it looks like. Absolutely amazing. It tastes fantastic. Now you are not going to miss meat at all. You want to do meatless for a while, this is an absolute best recipe you can use for a meat substitute. So my son and I actually decided to make a burger. Alright, so this I just added that on the toasted buttery bun, some Vermont cheddar, my absolute favorite cheddar cheese, tomato and lettuce, some onions, and this was so good. Oh my gosh. And we actually had this with a glass of sweet tea. So thank you all for spending the time with us today. See you guys on the next video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye bye.